Okay, now I'm going to be dealing with the pedestrian crossing. So for this exercise, right, we're going to be applying MSPS rating. So let's move on. So first of all, to deal with the subject, right, first of all, we need to identify crossing. So I've seen if there's a crossing coming up, so I identified it. First of all, I'm going to check my mirrors. Then second thing, I'm going to scan the crossing. Anyone on the right, left, right, nobody's there, nobody crossing, but take it steady. Check my mirrors before I pick up speed again. I've got another crossing coming up, so I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror, scanning again, right, left, right, it's clear. And we check my mirrors before I pick up my speed again. I've got another crossing coming up, so I'm going to check my center mirror, right mirror check. Scan the crossing, anyone on the right, anyone on the left, anyone crossing road, anyone on the crossing, nobody's there. We check my mirrors again, and if it's safe, now I'm going to pick up the speed. Okay, we're going to be taking the next road on the right. Coming up to roundabout, we're going to be turning right. Third exit. Now from here, by looking at it, I could see zebra crossing coming up, so I'm going to check my mirrors, center right, scan the crossing, right, left, right, nobody on the crossing, nobody standing inside. I'm going to take it nice and slow because the hump's there. Now roundabout turning right, center mirror, right mirror, signal.